Welcome back again. This is a short video for digital marketers who run social media ads, who run Google ads, and face a lot of problems when they get banned on their social media IDs, on their social media ads or Google ads, and they get restrictions, they get suspensions, and this is happening time and again in these modern era with AI being coming in the place, with AI being coming in Google ads, with Meta ads. And we are seeing a lot of restrictions happening around the globe with digital marketers complaining about Meta ads and all this stuff. So this is a particular video which I will be shooting in English language for the first time on this channel, and this is one only reason is that because I want to cater to global audience. I want to cater to some of the digital marketers around the globe who are facing these problems, and maybe they can find this video helpful with the discussion of challenge, and then I will be discussing the solution both. So I think this video will be helpful. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be discussing two major important things which definitely it will be helpful for you. And if you are a beginner, then definitely you should see this video for your future perspective, and you should definitely be aware of these information and modern tools which are present in the global era and in the modern world. So let's begin and directly jump onto the video. I will keep it very short and precise, and we'll be talking about firstly on the challenges. So see, social media in today's time, you know that if you are a digital marketer, you are running social media ads, Meta ads or Google ads, you know that many a times we face restrictions. And if you are a freelancer or you are catering to multiple clients around the globe, you are sitting at one place, you are running multiple ad accounts, you're basically running multiple Chromes, multiple browsers, multiple activities that you are doing here and there. And so there is a problem nowadays that you might get restrictions, you might get suspensions. You are on same Wi-Fi, you are sitting at one place, you are running multiple ad accounts, you are opening, closing the browsing activities and all these stuff. So this is one of the things that these AI in Meta and Google find it spammy. Maybe you're not actually a spammer, but you definitely will be treated one. So that's the thing. You are a digital marketer, you're running multiple clients, so you need something which can be a safe zone for you to cater to multiple clients without getting without giving a signal to Meta or Google that you are a spammy person. So this is one of the biggest challenges that I have personally faced. I have got restrictions when I have been running multiple clients ad accounts. And then second famous challenge that you might be aware is the security. So many ad accounts or many clients of your will be considered very much about security and their ad accounts because they are giving you access and all that stuff. So these are the key two challenges that we generally face as a digital marketer, as a social media ads manager or as a Google ads manager. You must be facing, you must have faced if you are experienced marketer, and if you are not, you will definitely be facing one of those in the near future. So let's come on the solution, and let me take you directly onto my screen and share with you exactly one of the tools that I have just came through, and I find it really helpful, and maybe you will too. So let's discuss this tool and let's go through it quickly. So this tool is named as Multilogin, and they have this site multilogin.com, which you should definitely try this out. You should definitely visit and just read on that platform. I will be giving the link in the description, but before that, let's discuss this tool. So these are the platform solutions they are providing, and the main that I found interesting is the solution of multi-account management. If you will go to this, so you will get to see multi-account, that the challenge which we generally as a digital marketer face. So this is one of the key areas they are addressing, and I think this is very helpful for all the digital marketers, managers, social media managers, ad account handlers, paid media persons who all are handling this kind of stuff. Or even if you are an e-commerce manager, you know, you're running multiple Shopify accounts, you're handling multiple accounts, and again these companies tend to address you as a spammy person. They might tend to address you as a spammy person, and to mitigate that risk, why will you want to take that risk, such a kind of risk? So obviously you don't want to lose clients, you want to lose your activity, you don't want to waste your time doing all that stuff with, you know, I have been into a situation where I have been talking to Meta personals, and I have wasted a lot of time because it's not at all helpful at the end. And if you are handling a client, and if you're running an ads manager ad account, and obviously you are literally with paying some money out of it, and you don't want to waste time, and time is money, and money already that you have spent on that. So all that challenges you must be aware of. And so This is a tool that is helpful, and if you I quickly take you through it. So you can manage multiple accounts undetected. So nobody will ever be able to detect if you are running multiple accounts. You can literally run one single browser, and you can use multiple accounts into that browsers by creating the replicas of that particular thing. So they have this solution. Multilogin is giving this solution. Easily set up multiple accounts in just a few clicks. You can create and manage unlimited accounts in seconds, clone, export, and all that stuff. Create team accounts without risk, and it starts with just 1.99 pounds. So this is interesting thing, and this is the most I will say less priced tool that I have came across. And obviously you can try that risk free with just 1.99 pounds. I'm telling you, this is one of the very I can say risk free and one of the cheapest in the market, that they are providing this as a trial at just 1.99 pounds. So you can it's really beautiful. You should just visit. It's like really helpful for us. I have been using this tool for a while now, and I can tell you that this is helpful. So they have this. You can read about the stuff. What is anti-detect browser? And if I just quickly explain you, like, you can create multiple sessions without the AI, the intelligence of these companies, of these platforms that we run on ads on, or any such platform. They cannot detect your basically the sessions which you are currently doing. So once you sign up on the platform, you will see something like this. So as I said that I already have signed up on the platform, and I'm using it from a while now. So let me just quickly take you through the inside of this platform and how you can exactly create multiple sessions, which I was just talking about earlier on this video. So you just need to create a profile here. On this section you will see something like this, all profiles here, where all profiles will be listed, and then you can create it on local, or you can create it on the cloud. So I will suggest you directly jump on to create button, and you can create quick profile which will never be saved, and you can create these for a long-term session. So just click on create, and then you can give your profile name, like I'm giving system1. Then you can create you can leave this as it is. You can create custom proxies, or you can leave it on Multilogin to decide. So I will say just leave it as it is when you are starting this, and then you can leave the location as random, or I will suggest you choose your own country. And then you can create a tag, which is just a basic category where you can choose. If you are creating multiple profiles, then it will be easier for you to categorize with these tags. So just click on create profile. So now this is the profile, one of the profiles that has been created. Now you can create another profile. So similarly, let me just give you system 2. Let's leave it out as it is, and then create profile. So you will see that we have the profiles here, system 1, system 2. Similarly, all the profiles will be listed down here. Now what will happen is you need to click on the start button. Now it will give you a prompt for downloading and install according to your operating system. So I already have downloaded the file, so you just need to click on Windows or other OS, whichsoever you are using according to your operating system, and just download the file and install it on the computer. So Multilogin will get the agent, the Multilogin agent will be getting installed on the computer, and after you have installed it on the computer, you just need to, so I already have installed it, so I will just open it from my system. So now as you can see, agent is running in the background of my system. So now let's connect the agent. After you have downloaded and installed, then you can connect the agent, and now the agent is connecting. So it will take a while, and as you can see, the agent is now connected. It will show you something like this on a different browser. So this is what is called as a session. So this is something which is not being tracked. So that's what is the magic of this tool. So now you can, similar to how you work on your browsers, you can simply go to anything, like let's suppose Facebook. You can run Facebook, you can run
different platforms which you work on the daily basis, maybe Shopify, and so on and so forth. So that's how you can sign in on these platforms, start working on it, create multiple accounts. Like, let's suppose you work for one client, and then you can create this session for that particular client, and then you can start working on system 2. So that's how you can simply securely use these sessions for multiple activities, for multiple clients of yours, for managing multiple social media accounts, for managing multiple dropshipping accounts, for managing multiple e-commerce accounts for different clients, as a freelancer, as a digital marketer, as a dropshipper, as a social media marketer, etc. Now, then after doing a session, you can just simply stop that session. After closing the browser, you can close the browser, you can stop the session. You can see your settings, you can add the team members here in your particular session, and that's how you basically work on this. So there's a simple tool, and I have just taken through the exact main thing which this tool delivers, which is great. So let's go back to our main window and discuss the little different features of this tool.
So this is a really helpful tool, and as I said, that this is the key thing, the key challenge, that they are key problem in the market that they are addressing to. And these are all the features that they provide: bypass detection, team collaboration, data sync over cloud, fingerprint adjustment to match proxy, support all proxy types, residential, rotating IPs, Chrome or Firefox interface, high load supported. So Chrome and Firefox interface, this is very useful because we generally work on those browsers around the globe. Many of us work on those browsers. And then there is a manual mode, browser action automation, and trusted company, a vaulted company, so we can rely on this platform, and they have this great tool. So definitely you should check this out. And then another interesting tool and another interesting thing that they're catering to is web scraping. So if you are a scrapper, if you are an email marketer, you have scrapped a lot of emails in the past, you want to reach out to thousands of prospects around the globe, then this is again an interesting problem that they are catering to. So you can bypass the toughest bot protections, mimic real user behavior, and scrap at scale undetected. So the problem that generally people face is that you cannot scrap a lot, right? So you will definitely be getting banned, or you will face some of the other kind, you will be treated as a spammer. So that's what they are doing, they're bypassing things again. And a really helpful another solution that they're providing. And then the third one is social media marketing. This, as we discussed, is just again, if you are a social media marketer, then you can run multiple ads, social media accounts, multiple different kinds of social media accounts that we generally operate to, organic social media platforms. So you can cater to all your clients from a single browser by creating multiple sessions into that browser, and that's how you can manage all without getting any action from the platform, from the various social media platforms. So just go and check the link in the description and use the promo code that will help you get a really good discount while you register on this tool and start using it. So I hope this video was a short tutorial around the new modern tools, which will be really beneficial for all those who are looking for a kind of solution towards these challenges that we face in day-to-day life of a social media marketer, or a digital marketer, or an ads manager, or a paid media buyer. So I hope this was really helpful, and definitely if you want more videos in English, then definitely do comment me, and I will try to make more really helpful videos on and like tutorials on these kind of tools. So thanks for watching till here. See you in the next video. This was Yuvraj from Dreamex Ventures.